Hey everyone, welcome back to Fats Food and Barbecue. Today we're doing a real simple recipe. It's pretty much like a French onion soup on the grill. So what I got here is a large onion. I cut both ends off and I peeled it. So what we're going to do now is going to cut a little indent in the middle. Pop it out. Just like that. We have a little hole in the middle, it doesn't go all the way down. And in this hole, got some butter. I'm going to jam that right down in the hole. That. And I have basically just pretty much a regular bouillon cube. And I'm going to use about half of it. I'm going to break it in half and shove that down in there, and maybe 3/4 of it. That's that. And then what we're going to do is put on some foil. We're going to do some pepper, some salt, and some garlic powder. And then we're going to take another piece of this butter, put it right on top, just like that. And then we're going to seal it up, just like that. And then we're going to get the grill heated up and we'll put it on the grill. Alright, so we're back. So I did forget to mention earlier that normally in this onion I would put fresh thyme or dry thyme, but I kind of ran out of it. So our grill's all heated up. I'm making this on a Napoleon gas grill right now. So we're going to put the onion right here. And then we're going to let that go for probably about 15-20 minutes. And then we'll come back and see how it is. Alright, so we're back. This onion has been on the grill for about 30 minutes or so. So let's unwrap it and see and show you what it looks like. I did actually double wrap it in foil because my grill seems to get very hot sometimes. A little hot. Ooh, definitely hot. But look at that. So what I'm going to do is take this out of here. You get all those juices in here. And that's it. Looks fantastic. Basically French onion on the grill. Hope you enjoy it.